Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to be providing you with a brief demonstration on how you can add accessibility to quizzes and exams in the D2L Brightspace Learning Management System. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to head over to Assessments, and from the drop-down menu, we're going to select Quizzes and Exams. And as you can see, I already have quite a few quizzes created, so I'm going to go ahead in this Week 1 quiz, and I'm going to select Edit. And from here, I'm going to go over to availability dates and conditions. And I'm going to go ahead and set those up. And then I'm going to come down here to manage special access. And here it says allow selected users special access to the quiz. You want to make sure that that is selected. And then you're going to click on add users to special access. From here, I'm going to start with my dates. And I'm going to go ahead and I want to give those students extra time to get the assignment done. And then I'm going to come over here to the enforced time limit. And everyone else is going to get 60 minutes, but I'm going to double their time. So I'm going to give them 120 minutes. And then I'm going to give them an additional 10 minutes. And then I'm going to give them, yeah, I'll say I'll do a 5-minute grace period. Okay. And then I'm going to say, even if the students aren't finished by then, that I'll allow them to continue to work. And then once I'm done doing all of my setups for what, they have access to, I'm going to select the student that I want to add and I'm going to hit save. And now you can see right here it says my time limit is 70 minutes. That was a mistake, so let's go ahead and fix that. Hit save. And now it has my 120 minutes. And if that happens to you, that's okay. You can go right over here, select this pencil icon, and you can edit. So now that I have verified that I have all the things on here that I want, I'm going to go ahead and hit save and close. And then I'm going to go ahead and come down here and I'm also going to hit save and close. And you can see it says it's saved successfully. And right up here with this key, when you hover over it, it should tell you that there's been special access that's been granted. And that's how you can add accessibility to your quizzes and exams. Thank you for joining me.